If you pass the 25, 30s, or 40s, definitely this video is for you, because this is skincare routine that I'm about to show you right now. Everything related to ANUA skincare routine is definitely the game changer. And we're going to start with one of the best, I would say, best part of it, which is helping practically anything related to your skin. And I'm going to say it like this. I tend to have, well, I used to have excessive oily skin, and if we start with the number one, it's gonna be the cleansing oil of ANUA that right now I'm adding into my face. And what I'm gonna focus is to try to get rid of the actual excessive sebum. Okay, anything related to oily skin, this is gonna help you to get rid of any residual, anything that is not supposed to be in your skin. And of course, it's gonna start working because this oil, it's so natural, and anything related to the actual hard leaf that it contains, anything related with this skincare treatment. And of course, definitely we're gonna go and cover all the area, and I would say specifically in the face is recommended by dermatologists. Okay, and of course, if it's your first time here on this channel, make sure to like this video. I hope that it can help you really much. And do not forget to subscribe, because I'm putting much more videos related to skincare and tips and beauty, as you must know. Again, if you've been here already, thanks again. And you can let me know in the comment section what type of skin you possess. And believe me when I tell you, my friend, it all depends on the type of skin that you have. So the number two, it's gonna be the following. It's the foam cleanser. This foam cleanser, I'm telling you, it's not any type of foam cleanser. I really love the idea about ANUA because the smell is so refreshing, and you can smell pure hard leaf on it. And in case you didn't know, my friend, the hard leaf contains anything related to antioxidants, which is totally helpful for our skin. So I'm gonna cover it all. And before I forget, okay, I didn't apply that much of water, but I'm gonna make sure right now to mix it with water. Okay, and this is the idea. You grab a little bit of the cream, because this type of soap, okay, it's gonna be creamy, but when you add it with the water and you mix it with water, okay, it's gonna become much more foamy. And once you cover it in your face little by little with that amount of water that you put, I would say you can keep it warm. Okay, it's gonna be really foam. So that foam, you start covering in your face, and you will notice something that is so important. Cover all the area of your face. And like I was mentioning before, if you have oily skin, this works perfectly. And I'm gonna say it like this: if you have excessive, I would say, blackheads, this is the game changer. And I've been using this already for, I would say it's gonna be 7 months already. Okay, and I would say, comparing to other treatments, this is so far one of the best ones. So as you can see, I'm trying to go all the way in my nose, in my chin, in my face. Okay, and I want to assure that I can get rid of those blackheads and are gonna be covered. And of course, once I put all the foam in my skin and my face, I'm gonna go ahead and wash it. Okay, and it could be with warm water, preferably. Okay, not hot water, not cold water, so that's preferable. So once you washed it all, you know, I'm super ready now. I'm gonna dry it, and I'm gonna go with the number three. And this is the part that I really like it. It's all about adding that part of the tone. This toner is, of course, 100% also hard leaf. Okay, and it contains hyaluron. And once you cover it, okay, after you wash your face, you're gonna make sure to cover all the area, and it's gonna cover practically all the pores of your skin. In case you didn't know, basically it's gonna help to hydrate your skin, as you must know again. And then I can go ahead and go for the number 4. So this is the part that a lot of people are not paying attention, which is the value of, I would say, benefits actually of the niacinamide. Now, adding niacinamide in your treatment, okay, and this one is really fun because the color, I just love the color. It's kind of fuchsia reddish, okay, serum, and this serum is gonna help you to cover practically any type of pore. And if you've been struggling probably with oily skin or dried skin, it's gonna help really much your skin to get the right hydration. And once all the pores are covered, then you're gonna get anything related to vitamin B and vitamin D, if I'm not wrong. And this is what your face, specifically your skin, really needs, especially if you're a woman, okay? A huge reminder, of course, this is, again, the treatment. It could be for a man, for a woman, because at the end of the day, we really need to take care of our skin, and this treatment is just perfectly done for everybody's. So like I was saying, you can let me know in the comment section, have you tried those again? Have you tried it already? Or maybe would you like to check them out? You can go ahead and check it out in the description down below, because I put a lot of options that probably you might get it the way you would love to. Followed by the number 5, I would say. This is the part that I really love, which we're gonna finish it up, and this is the moment when you add the hyaluronic acid. Now, if you are already related to skincare products or skincare in general, hyaluronic acid can be, it can be the presentation can be as a serum, but this presentation from ANUA, I really love it because it's creamy. Once you start adding that cream on top of your face, you are gonna cover any part that it tends to be, I would say, probably it looks kind of dehydrated, okay? It's gonna help really much to adjust the way you need it. A lot of hydration, and best part of it, I would say, is gonna complete this treatment, because the glow skin that you're looking for, that brightness, okay, we are missing most of the time. And if you possess dry skin, this tends to happen. Now, I don't know if that could be your case. I passed my 30s already, and I realized that I really need to get back the glow in my skin. For a few months, I would say for a year specifically, I was having my skin excessively dried. So that's the reason that I have to focus on a treatment like this, natural, focus on the hardly thing, natural stuff. And best part of it, coming back to the topic of the hyaluronic acid. Now, this version is creamy, okay, of ANUA Skincare, and definitely I would say we're done with the whole treatment. And huge reminder, in case you didn't know, I would say you can go ahead and check it out if it's morning time or night time. What I tend to do is at morning time, but definitely hope you like it, and of course do not forget to subscribe for much more videos.